Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on this one today. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance for next week. First level of support to keep an eye on is going to be what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 720. Don't get me wrong, though. I'm not saying that if the price falls below 720, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this former breakout point right here at the 705 mark. So 705 and then 720. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon on things. But that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 720, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now let's talk about some areas of resistance going into next week. First level is nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact that the party stopped on a couple occasions right up there at about $7.45. So $7.45 initial level to watch. If the price can break up through $7.45, then next overarching level of resistance at that point would be right up there at a former area of support, right around, we'll call it $7.55, give or take a few cents. So overall, though, big movement today, big momentum. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. We will see what happens. Remember, the markets are closed on Monday for Memorial Day. So with that being said, everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.